We are Structure Aluminium Glazing Company. We use premium-grade aluminium that ensures durability and longevity. Our cutting-edge designs combine aesthetics with functionality, enhancing the appearance of any building. Our glazing solutions improve insulation, reducing energy costs and environmental impact. We tailor our products to meet your specific needs, offering personalized and unique designs. Our team of experts brings years of experience and knowledge to every project, ensuring high standards and precision. We are committed to environmentally friendly practices, using recyclable materials and sustainable manufacturing processes. We utilize the latest technology for superior performance and innovative solutions. Our cost-effective solutions provide great value without compromising on quality. From consultation and design to installation and maintenance, we offer a complete service package. We have a proven track record of successful projects and satisfied clients, building trust and reliability in the industry.